Nothing is more frustrating and stressful for men than dealing with bathroom issues, whether it is frequent trips to the bathroom, dealing with pain in the bathroom, waking up multiple times to use the bathroom, having dribbling of urine, or unwanted leakage of urine. These are struggles that no one should have to endure on a daily basis. But what if I told you there is a simple snack that could be a breakthrough to prostate health and help with these very challenges? This snack is very natural and it is something most if not all of you are familiar with. But it's not just about knowing this snack. One thing is to know this snack and the other thing is how to eat it for maximum benefits. But before I reveal it to you, I first want to briefly explain how this snack works. Now, when we look at prostate issue, most time is due to hormonal. Most men, as they are crossing through a certain age like 50, a lot of changes start going on in their body. And one of these changes is that their testosterone levels start to decline, which is due to the increased expression of this enzyme called 5-alpha reductase, which is the enzyme that takes your testosterone and converts it into dihydrotestosterone, which is the potent androgen that causes men to have an enlarged prostate. And also, as most men start to age due to the increased conversion of this testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, erectile issues also start kicking in because testosterone is actually what gives men that huge rock explosion. But the good news is that this snack contains the nutrient which is zinc that regulates the activity of 5-alpha reductase by blocking this enzyme from making more dihydrotestosterone, and as such, zinc helps to prevent an enlarged prostate. Zinc prevents the further enlargement of your prostate gland. But that is not all. If you are having prostatitis, which is an inflammation in your prostate, which also can block your urinary flow, it can block your urethra, it can choke up your urethra. And when you have your urethra choke up, that can result in painful urination, that can result in urgency, and all of those symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Now, because this snack contains anti-inflammatory like tocopherol, omega-3 fatty acid, it contains ellagic acid and many other phenolic compounds that are beneficial for the prostate. And this snack we are talking about is walnuts. Walnut is very good for the prostate. Studies have shown that the ellagic acid in walnuts protects against prostate cancer by effectively inhibiting blood vessel formation by prostate cancer cells. And that is impressive because once you can prevent the formation of blood vessel by cancer, that is going to cut the supply of nutrients that fuels the growth and the proliferation of prostate cancer cells. And this snack, walnut, also influences energy metabolism in prostate cancer cells. So start eating these walnuts. And the best way I would recommend you start eating this snack is first of all by soaking them overnight, and then you're going to eat them in the morning on an empty stomach. Soaking them makes it much easier for your body to digest it, and it also makes it much easier for your body to absorb all of those nutrients that are beneficial for the prostate. Alright, so guys, if you want to learn more on how to use zinc to shrink the prostate, make sure to check out this video.